So this is one that was working good for about 10-12 minutes, and the high side was staying around 180 psi. Well, you see it's going up to 400 psi now, and it's going to kick out under the high safety switch, kicks out the clutch. And while I was here, the fan stopped working. Everything was working good and cooling smoothly. It's a good thing I do recordings and I let them go a few minutes and I start data logging. If it wasn't that, if I was just one of those guys who blow and glow and say, okay, I got 39 degrees out of the dash, everything is operating, get this car out of here because I got to get another one in. If I was one of those guys, this customer would have drove away and come back in 10 or 15 saying, hey, your AC is not working good. You just did it and now it doesn't work. Well, it's just you weren't there long enough to try to diagnose it and data log and record all the problems, and that's what I was just about to start to do. So now there's an electrical issue. Is it a wire? Is it a switch? Is it a relay? Is it a fuse? Or is it the command? Or is it the electric fan itself? That's to be found out later. But I got it mechanically working. It's getting nice and oh, yep. It's not even warming or cooling anymore. It doesn't like that at all. All right, I'll see you guys later. Hey, catch you. We got issues.